Welcome to Tenderbuck, your solution to tough, gamey meat. Since 2004, Tenderbuck has been helping to create wild game meats that are the premier choice for the country's greatest chefs. Electrostimulation is the meat industry's best-kept secret. The practice of electrostimulating animal meat has been used by commercial slaughterhouses for decades to ensure maximum meat quality. Most retail beef, pork, and poultry has been electrostimulated shortly after slaughter and before butchering to ensure complete bleed out and improved taste, texture, and tenderness. The Tenderbuck Electrostimulator makes it possible for you to enjoy one of the meat industry's best-kept secrets on your next hunt. So how does this thing work? The Tenderbuck Electrostimulator works by applying a high voltage through the central nervous system of recently harvested wild game. Shortly after the animal's death, the hunter will sever the animal's carotid artery and raise the hindquarters, if possible, to allow the blood to start to drain. Then the hunter will connect one of the stimulator leads to either the eye, tongue, or cheek of the animal, and the second lead to the animal's anus. The stimulator is then placed on the ground and powered on. When ready, the hunter will press the stimulate button and the stimulator will run for 90 seconds. When the process is complete, the electrostimulator will simply turn itself off and the hunter can use whatever processing techniques they prefer. There are several ways that the Tenderbuck Electrostimulator can improve the quality of your game. First is improved flavor. The Tenderbuck Electrostimulation process forces a more thorough bleed out by effectively pumping the blood from the muscles, removing the gamey taste, and increasing the shelf life of the meat. Second, increased tenderness. The Tenderbuck Electrostimulator reduces rigor mortis, which is responsible for the toughness you often experience in wild game meat. Multiple studies have shown that the electrostimulation process increases the tenderness of the meat by 40 to 60%. Finally, by using electrostimulation, you'll have less preparation time of your game. There's no need to hang the carcass for days, soak your wild game meat in salt baths, or drown them in marinades. With the Tenderbuck Electrostimulator, you'll be able to cut up the carcass immediately following the stimulation process without having to wait for the rigor mortis phase to pass. Using the Tenderbuck Electrostimulation process on your wild game will yield venison tenderloins that rival any beef cut you've ever had without the long wait. The Tenderbuck Electrostimulator can be used on any size animal. It's also suitable for wild boar and domestic animals as well, including cattle, sheep, and goats. The owners of Tenderbuck take pride in their family-operated business and the products they make. For this reason, each company involved in the production and manufacturing of the Tenderbuck Electrostimulator was handpicked for their part in the process. Most of these businesses are small and local. We guarantee that the product you purchase is built with the utmost pride and integrity. Please go to our website at www.tenderbuck.com to learn more. Thank you and happy hunting!